Welcome to Nick Tyler Cars, where we explore innovations and the latest trends in the auto industry. In this video, I'll be sharing with you the latest nighttime driving safety technologies focusing on advanced headlights, night vision, and large animal detection. Enjoy the ride. First up is lighting technology. Good vehicle headlights can literally save your life the next time you're out on the road at night. LED technology has allowed vehicle headlights to significantly improve road visibility through increased brightness and headlight range. Some recent safety advancements for night driving include the rise of adaptive high beam and matrix LED headlights, ultra-range high beam headlights, and laser headlights. These technologies greatly optimize road illumination and improve overall driving confidence at night. Let's talk about adaptive high beam and matrix LED headlights. Matrix LED headlights are advanced or smart LED headlights consisting of individually controllable LEDs that form an array within a dynamic matrix. These individual LEDs work together using an electronic control unit and traffic detection system to improve driving visibility at night while simultaneously reducing glare to oncoming vehicles. The adaptive and dynamic system optimizes nighttime driving lighting scenarios via smart adjustments of single LEDs within the larger LED matrix. Essentially, the light from this LED array is always switched on exactly where it is needed, and by working together, these smart headlights respond in split seconds to provide improved lighting responses to changing driving conditions. Thanks to this continuous adaptability of the matrix LEDs, drivers no longer need to switch their headlights to low beam when there is oncoming traffic. This eliminates the compromise between forward distance and glare control and enhances road safety for everyone. Unfortunately, the US has yet to approve the use of these advanced LED headlights, but these regulations are currently under review, and let's hope this technology gets approved soon. Next, let's talk about ultra-range high beam lights. Unique to Mercedes-Benz, Adaptive High Beam Assist Plus allows permanent long-range road illumination, and when sensors detect zero vehicle traffic ahead, while traveling 40 kilometers an hour or more, a supplementary ultra-range high beam gets automatically switched on. This ultra beam produces the maximum light intensity permitted by law. When the system recognizes other road users or reflective traffic signs, the ultra-range high beams are switched off automatically and Mercedes' partial high beam is turned on. The ultra-range high beams can be kept active if high beam mode has been manually switched on. This additional ultra-range high beam helps improve road visibility with long-range road illumination, therefore making nighttime driving that much safer and more comfortable for the driver. Let's move on to laser headlights. Both Audi and BMW lead the way with laser headlight technology. These impressive and futuristic headlights are powered by lasers. In the case of BMW, 3 blue lasers fire onto a set of mirrors which focus the laser energy into a yellow phosphorus-filled lens. These blue lasers excite the contained gas, causing it to emit an intense white light, shining backward onto a reflector. The light bouncing off this reflector is more diffused and shines forward as a powerful beam exiting from the front of each headlight. The light emitted from each headlight is powerful and yet can still be looked at with the naked eye, since the lasers don't directly focus their beams outward onto the road. These laser headlights are a great improvement over traditional technology, since the focus light is more intense and brighter, offering improved driving visibility at night. The next technology of focus is night vision. Ever wonder what it's like to have night vision? Well, wonder no more, because it's here and it's awesome. You'll see so many animals you didn't even know were lurking. Night vision, often supplied by the company Autoliv, can be purchased as an added option from select luxury brand models by Audi, BMW, Mercedes-Benz, Maybach, and Cadillac. Night vision uses infrared sensors that detect warm objects such as body heat from beyond headlight reach, and they can see perfectly in the dark. These systems not only detect warm objects directly ahead of the vehicle, but also along wooded landscapes lining the roadway. These sensors send the moving images to a dashboard screen alerting the driver. Algorithms help determine animals from humans and will even make an alert sound for the driver once spotted. What makes these systems so impressive is their ability to see warm objects like wild animals lurking along the sides of the road ahead and camouflaged by shrubs and trees to the naked eye. This gives the driver advanced warning of large animals that could pose a threat should it decide to move toward the roadway and in front of the moving vehicle. This extra vision capacity can be shocking to the driver at first due to the amount of wildlife walking near roadways, since we're often oblivious. It's usually too late to react in time when a large animal such as a moose or a deer jump directly in front of the moving vehicle, but with the added vision of night vision, you can drive more confidently knowing that you'll be alerted well in advance to avoid hitting a moose or a deer. For us at Nick Tyler Cars, we believe night vision technology is important for road safety, especially for those of us who like to do road trips through remote areas. Animals don't just come out at night, but in fact, they're most likely to wander onto the roadways at dawn and at dusk, and we've all seen large animal roadkill on the sides of remote highways. Thankfully, night vision is available on the aftermarket, and one positively reviewed company offering an external unit is Lanmodo. The Lanmodo Vast Pro 1080p night vision with Dashcam is easily mounted onto any dash or suction cup to any windshield. Their external unit is plug-and-play, high-resolution full color, producing a daylight appearance on its display screen in all driving conditions, including fog, rain, snow, and at night. Instead of using infrared sensors, this external unit can see the limited amounts of light from outside, even in pitch dark, and it internally processes the video images to form amazing, clear, crisp, and bright video display. Simply connect Lanmodo with OBD or the cigarette lighter and mount it on top of your dash or suction it to your windshield. Turn the system on and you've got yourself high resolution and full color night vision to warn you of any dangerous road hazards you might not see otherwise. The Lanmodo Vast Pro 1080p night vision with Dashcam. It typically sells for about $600, but is currently on sale for $300. You can check them out in the description below. And finally, let's talk about Volvo's large animal detection system. Volvo is a leader when it comes to vehicle safety. The company invests an incredible amount of research and development time and money into developing some of the safest vehicles on the road. A major threat on the vast and remote roads of Scandinavian countries is the number of vehicle crashes that occur with large animals, and since Volvo prioritizes vehicle safety, they decided to develop a system they call large animal detection. Large animal detection is part of Volvo's city safety technology suite, and it works to alert the driver of nearby animals that could pose a danger to the road. This system will also respond in certain situations to provide brake assist, and it is able to distinguish between different large animals by analyzing the animal movement patterns, animal size, and side animal body contour. For example, this safety system will alert the driver when it sees a moose or a horse, considered dangerous large animals that could lead to a fatal collision. Large animal detection even works at night within the range of headlight visibility. While Volvo leads the way in driving safety technology, there are obvious areas for improvement. Volvo warns that their large animal detection is, and I quote, supplementary driver support, and that it cannot detect all large animals in all situations. According to the company, the system is unable to detect partially obscured larger animals seen from the front or from behind, fast-running or moving large animals, larger animals with poor background contrast which could interrupt warning and braking assist, and smaller animals such as dogs and cats. Volvo will continue to improve on their large animal detection in an effort to remove these limitations, so stay tuned. What do you think about these innovative nighttime driving safety technologies? Which technology do you think is the best for improving night driving safety and confidence on the road? Can you see any new or improved innovations for the future? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear what you think, and your comments help to grow our channel. Also, please share this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell icon as well so you don't miss any new and upcoming videos. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.